Hey, thanks for coming to watch today's video. Today's video is all about some new hair that I got from Eayon Wigs, and we are going to check it out. EayonHair, I should say. And okay, we got some beautiful deep wave in 20 inches. It looks like we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs of hair. We also got a little care package with a comb, 2 duckbill clips, and a crochet needle. So do one thing for me before we get started. Hit that subscribe button. It helps me with this crazy YouTube algorithm. And make sure you hit that like and leave me a comment after you see everything that I have in store for you today. So today we are going to be doing the viral miracle knots, but we're going to do it in a slightly different way that's going to save you even more time and still be just as versatile as the traditional way. So if you want to learn how to get your miracle knots in less than 2 hours, definitely keep on watching. Okay, so getting into this braid pattern, I have developed this braid pattern where I do my braids going into the center and combining the braid together in the middle. I find that this lets the edges of the foundation braids be more flat and less obvious around the edges, that it's not box braids. So I like this. I'm still perfecting this. This was my first time doing it all the way up to the top. But yeah, I think it worked out fine. It did get a little bulky at the top towards the middle. So I'm going to find another way to combine the braids so that they don't get bulky right about there. But yeah, that's for another install. So then I just did the box braids around the front and in the middle part and made sure to have box braids going towards the back and down along the sides. Those box braids, I did add 1 feather crochet piece at the end of each of those and just sealed it off with just some edge control at the bottom. Then I went ahead and just did the crochet as normal around the back and the perimeter where all the cornrows were. I like doing it this way because my miracle knots don't come out so boneless. They come out very thick, very full, and very much giving a full head of hair rather than just a bunch of like boneless braids with crochet pieces in them. I just really like how full this look gives. But of course, you still want to have the box braids around where your parting space is and around your perimeter to give that look. So I think this is a perfect happy medium. And I'm just checking just to make sure it still looks really good. And I definitely like how it looks. So I just kept going. Once you get to where the box braids are, you're going to add 3 pieces of crochet hair into each braid, 2 along the actual braid and then 1 at the root to cover up kind of where the braids are. And this just gives, again, another really full voluminous look. At the end, I add hairspray and spray oil to just give all that edge control, you know, just to calm it down and not make it look so pronounced. Rub all that in and then you're good to go. And I always give the hair a good trim and a good cut so that everything looks even and it blends together well. A lot of times the pieces around the front are too long because that's where you actually added the feather crochet at the ends of the hair, and it doesn't blend well unless you cut the hair around the perimeter of your face, because again, that's where the feather crochet is actually crocheted into the braids and not just your cornrows. So then I add water, mousse, and leave-in spray, use my dimming brush to make the curls pop, and then set them with my diffuser. if you see me chatting away, I was on live. I do several lives throughout the week, so make sure you're subscribed and you have your notifications on so you can join me on live. We do a lot of fun content, impromptu stuff. It's just really fun community, so check me out live as well. All right, guys, we are back. The hair is done. I think it looks so beautiful straight off of the diffuser. Yeah, it looks absolutely gorgeous. I do want to even it up just a little bit. You're always gonna have to do that after you kind of like set your curls, just to make sure everything is kind of set where it needs to be, and everything just looks good and healthy and pretty. I love this hair. Now, I've been wearing this hair for at least a week now, and I'm still loving it. It's absolutely beautiful. I love the way that I installed it. It's so easy. It's so quick. You can do this style in less than 2.5 hours, which I think doing your own hair in less than 2.5 hours, including the braiding and the install, is crazy and amazing. Obviously, it's going to take you a little more time to do the curl refreshing, and that's more like on the maintenance side. But who knew deep wave hair would curl like this? It curls beautifully. To me, it's giving Spanish curly. It's giving loose, loose tight curl. I don't know how to say it, but like it to me looks like a curly hair but a little looser, which I absolutely love, because then you're going to have a lot less to do in terms of maintenance. Now, what I think I'm gonna do is just use my pick and pick it out just a little bit. You don't want to make it frizzy, but you don't want every single thing to be perfectly uniform. You do want to have, you know, some texture in it. Right now, the curls are very uniform, which is gonna happen when you define your curls. You want that because the more defined they are, the longer they're gonna last throughout the weeks without getting frizzy. You don't want to introduce frizz. That's like the last thing you wanna do. Look how gorgeous this is. Love it. Get into the parting. Get all up in my scalp. That's the question on the girl's mind. Let me see that scalp. Let me see what it looks like. Is it looking suspect? Who's gonna know? How would they know? So not only are we using the Miracle Knots hack, we're also using a crochet hack, and we're also using a new braid pattern hack. So all these hacks together, baby, we gonna work something out. We're gonna make something shake. And I'm loving this outcome. I'm loving all these different variations that I'm coming up with, people are coming up with for these miracle knots. And for me, it's all just a way for us to save money, have our hair look great, have a style that is very versatile and diverse, but also saves us time and saves us money. That's what I'm all about. So if you like that, if you feel me, subscribe, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you never miss a new upload from your girl. All right, thank you so much for watching. Do one thing for me, share this video, share it with a friend, share it with a crochet lover, share this video with your mama. Peace.